Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I brought you another new update concerning PiNetwork wallet to use in this April 2025. So as you can see, when you come over to this place, you will see what is written. As the PiNetwork has launched its mainnet, selecting a reliable digital wallet has become a key factor for anyone involved in the network. Wallets are important tools for making transactions, engaging with decentralized applications, and maintaining digital identity. So, let's explore the best wallet or the best Pi wallet for this April 2025 in details. Now, Pi Network wallets to use in this 2025. The best wallet is among the most trending option to go for among users of Pi Network. I mean, Best Wallet is number one. Best Wallet is number one. Today, due to its centralized system and its enhances security, it allows full control over private keys by ensuring that they never leave the device. It signs transactions offline, eliminating risk associated with fail-away storage or exchange wallet. Although it doesn't have a desktop interface, the mobile app is well optimized and supported multiple tokens, including swap functionality and natively integrated decentralized exchange. This makes it an effective solution for regular users of blockchain assets. Then another one is Pi Wallet app. Pi Wallet app, official wallet for the core team. The Pi Wallet app was developed by the Pi Network development team specifically to facilitate network-related activities. It is already the de facto wallet for interacting with the testnet and the mainnet. The non-custodial wallet ensures that private keys remain stored in the user's device. The app also plays a fundamental role in verifying identity through KYC processes and entering ecosystem applications using the Pi browser. Although it lacks advanced features such as token swap or staking, it remains fundamental for participating in Pi's blockchain as it evolves. Another one is Atomic Wallet, a future-ready multi-currency platform. Despite not yet being integrated with PiNetwork, Atomic Wallet is labeled as future-proof. It also supports over 1,000 cryptocurrencies, stores keys safely, and back up securely by encrypting the backups. Upon Pi coin going publicly, wallets like Atomic will undoubtedly implement support. Atomic highly advanced asset management capabilities, decentralized status and token swapping feature make it a suitable tool for individuals looking to engage with multiple blockchain frameworks. Another one is Gate.io web wallet. An asset point to decentralized apps. Get.io web wallet match simple usage with decentralized innovation. It incorporates biometrics authentication, secure storage through multiple party computation, and hassle-free interconnection with other decentralized applications. Even though the Pi coin isn't officially listed or supported yet in the site. This wallet is so universal that it supports tokens from novel networks once widely distributed. Its integration with the wider Web3 ecosystem makes it attractive to users who impact to engage with decentralized financial platform in the future. Another one is Ledger Wallet, cold storage with high security standard. Ledger Wallet continues to be a trusted name in the crypto world, particularly for users who prioritize hardware-based security. Even though Picoin is not yet supported, Ledger compatibility with EVM-based tokens suggests that future integration is possible once Pi becomes publicly listed. in other major exchanges. The ledger device allows offline key storage, reducing vulnerability to online threats. This makes them ideal for long-term holders waiting for the full rollout of Pi's open blockchain and token utility. The next wallet is Trust Wallet, a leading mobile wallet compatibility with compatible with an enormous amount of tokens. It gives full control over the private keys and futures token swapping and staking between different blockchains network. Although native support for PiNetwork is not yet fully realized, Trust Wallet designs allows the addition of custom tokens. The Pi platform is simple to use and the app has an excellent reputation for reliability in the crypto community. So these are the wallets that you can use in this 2025 for Pi Network. Okay, if you find this video valuable, kindly subscribe to this channel, like this video, share with your friends and family, and do not hesitate to hit the notification bell so whenever I drop an update like this, you will be notified. Okay, thank you for your time. Thank you for watching this video to the end. See you in my next video. Bye.